Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Brandon with Car Fleet here. As you can see behind me, guys, this officially marks the very first video of working on the body, getting the body all sorted. We kind of do it like in two stages, right? You do the frame and then you do the body, and then after that you put it together, do the finishing touches. First thing I'm going to do to it, guys, is I'm just going to pressure wash it. It's hard to tell what's going on, but there's obviously lots of rust, as you can see. This is all dirt, so this is the reason why I want to pressure wash it, so we can see what's going on underneath, and we're gonna hit the inside as well. It's super dirty. Yeah, we're just gonna grab the pressure washer, guys, and we're gonna give it a nice fresh clean for the very first time since I've owned it. All right, guys, so I had 2 weeks off there, went to Hawaii, and we are back. It was amazing, a lot better than the freaking cold rain in freaking Vancouver. It's brutal. We came back and it was snowing. We washed the body already, that was a long time ago, but we haven't been able to do much. We are really stuck right now trying to find body mount hardware. I cannot find it. Everywhere is back ordered. I don't know what to do. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. And I've been really struggling with finding the yoke for the rear drive shaft. I finally figured it out, what one it is. It's the same as the front one, actually. So I'm trying to order that right now. Right now, it's just really a waiting game. We need some nicer weather. I can't work on the body when it's raining. So we painted up our transmission cover. Got our hands on some floor pans, baby. These are beauties. So 300 for everything there. Just the two and shipping, and thanks to my buddy for helping me get those. So that's a huge step, guys, to just get those as big, because in Canada right now shipping's ridiculous. So we have those. We have the cab mounts somewhere, I believe. Somewhere in this keep. But we got the body mount bushings. So these are polyurethane. It's the body mounts, but we need the body mount hardware. Painted up the small drive shaft. This is ready to go in. Yeah, but just a bunch of painting, guys. Look at this thing. It's so frustrating. We need the body mounts. We don't need them the second, but we also need it to not be raining 24/7. Once we get nice weather, guys, we're gonna bring the little flux core out here, and we'll be able to work on the Bronco body, get those floor pans in, get the cab corners in, and then the rest is just like patching little things and welding the floor. The rear bed is actually not bad. It's doable. Everything on there is not bad. It just takes some time and no rain. I can't even put a cover on the Bronco. It's like 8 feet in the air, or higher than that. It's like 10 feet. It's like I have to get like a jacked up canopy, 800 footer. But like the engine's all good. There's a few things that are driving me crazy. Stripped bolt for the exhaust, stripped head bolt. Valve cover bolt. Just all some things here that just make me want to get a fresher engine, that's for sure. But it is what it is. We got that one. We also have the other one that was filled with water. We don't want to use that one. I'm gonna say the next step right now, guys, I'm just gonna be doing some research, trying to figure stuff out. We just need to order parts right now. That's why there's not been many Bronco videos. We have the frame saver kit, so you weld them on here, but this one's so big, I don't even know if it's possible. I might have to buy one of these off LMC, get the pair there, and just freshen those up. The rest of them are fine. I got the kit for them all. We're gonna be welding the washers on here, basically. But that's also something I can do. I just don't really want to until I have the hardware. But yeah, we gotta keep searching. It's an ongoing list, guys. I could explain what I need to do all day long until we actually work on it. A lot of talk for me here. But it was nice to have a little break, get away from the build for a bit. Makes me want it more when I get back, and nice fresh little getaway. So I just put in an order from Bronco Graveyard to get the front two body mount hardware stuff. So I'm gonna be shining up the old rad support here. We're gonna sand it all down. We're gonna look for some rust anywhere. We're gonna sand some areas, take some stuff off, and I'm gonna grab the other rad support that was mint. We're gonna take stuff and make one good one here. Also, guys, I had a really bad incident here. Sorry, not like a worry, but 78 Bronco on the island. I live in Vancouver area, so got to take a ferry to get it. Oh man, it was a gem, guys. I can't even explain it. No rust on the roof. I would literally have thrown the body right on mine. Like, that's how good it was, with some light rust work. Sells right away, and I'm just crying, man. Like, oh my gosh, mint body. I just couldn't get there in time. Super unfortunate, but that's the way it goes. So now we got to stay on the grind with the old rusty one here. So guys, everything you've seen up till now is a while ago. Now is present day, April 21st. So I will show you the progress that's been made off camera, and it's just been hard to record. I don't really want to record any of this, to be honest. It's really hard to, and I'm trying to get stuff done around work. So I'll show you guys how much I've done though. Big progress here. So guys, here's the bed. We've got patch. We're doing a big patch right now. We need to do one more little hole, and then we're good in the bed. We got to do that side as well, underneath, and then the bed's done. So we're getting there. I've been practicing. By no means am I good at any of this, but I'm pretty proud of it so far. You can see this patch. I had to patch up the sides, and I actually contoured it really well. So I'm proud of that. I'm getting better, so that is good. So this is the body. Bed, a lot of bed work going on. We're trying to finish the bed. I will show you guys the frame. So here's the rad support, guys. All mint. We got the hood hold down, the latch, all mint. Headlight assemblies are mint. The bulbs look like they're actually still good, so we'll use those. New rad on there. Tons of stuff done up front here. And let's check out this frame, guys. I just pushed it back into the garage. I had to take it out for a while, so that's why there wasn't much going on. But I tightened all the shocks, started tightening a bunch of stuff. Rims that I want to use on right now, they're on 33 garbage tires. But the rims, guys, like, just think about how good this thing's gonna look when it's done. Those rims are beautiful. They suit it so well. They're 10 wides, 15s. They're sexy. So after that, guys, we did our brake lines in the rear. Rear's all sorted. We need the brake line that runs the frame. Drive shafts are in. This is a massive step. If you've been following the build, guys, I've been chasing this drive shaft yoke for so long, and I finally found it, and we have everything hooked up. It's insane. And guys, the best part about this so far, I finally found the body hardware kit, body mount hardware kit. So it's for the energy suspension bushings. Now, long story of what happened here. Previous clip showed I had the bushings. I returned them because I thought I didn't need them, but now I need them again, so I have to go buy them because I found hardware for the energy suspension setup. So we can hook the body up now. I finally found it. I have to go across to the States to get it. We have a box right across the border. But before that, guys, I still need to weld the frame, those frame savers that I got from Bronco Graveyard. I still need to throw those on. So, but guys, that is a massive step. We've been nailing some stuff off the list here, off camera. I am so happy, guys. I'm really putting in the work here. Like, before and after work, I'm just on the grind right now. I'm trying to get stuff done. So much patching that needs to be done on the body, and the frame is coming together nicely. So I'm really happy, guys. So this will do it for the video. As you can see, we did start on the body. We've made lots of progress, and I want to thank you guys for watching and enjoying the build. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like. I'm going hard, guys. Like, this isn't even funny anymore. Like, I'm so tired from working on it, but I just want it done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, as always, leave a like. Consider subscribing. Trying to hit 4K at the end of the year. It's a big goal, but you guys are legends, so I think we'll pull through. Thank you guys so much. To all the current subscribers, thank you guys as well. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.